the UK projects come under him. हाँ उसको मैं थिंक करके प्लीज कैन यू assign her to some project करके then he told yeah we shall look into it करके then he told her that so वैसा है मेरा इसलिए मैं वैसा था okay that's why I told like that that's why no one say you're telling which paragon is which one you care tell her I am still controlling it on the chair. No, just kidding. Hey, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, see, I have a very good rapport with many people there. So it's like that. Yeah, it's like that. So that's why I was very, see, that's why I always been very confident. I have very good rapport with people. And several things that are happening in WhatsApp. Yeah. That time me and Inchara came and I think in September. No. After that also, September, May or Inchara, last time we came to office, like, that was the last time when, Francis sent a mail that today will be the last day because from next time onwards, company will be paying for cab. So that day we and Inchara were in office and you came out from that client, IT. You came out from IT. Sorry? No, not Vandana came like yesterday. See, we came 2 days continuously. Yesterday and today. Yesterday, Vandana came and that time even team was there. Yeah, even I told I know. See, even Vandana actually was she section that time was some finance was doing. I don't know for finance, I never expected a spot awards and I didn't expect that, but at least see, I didn't expect no promotion. I told Mansi I'm expecting only 10% type Mansi. I'm not expecting anything I know that. That's why I told you, Mera source I got few people. I know that few people got 10% even last year. But still it's close to 10 only, no? You got promotion, that's why you got 11%, but so even he resigned. See, that's what I'm telling. And I know uska kya, see, I'm not trying to degrade you, but I know uska kya work था because one of my friends was that उसका काम कुछ नहीं था एक दिन में एक लोग भेजना है और इधर में portfolio account देखा my was portfolio account plus 2 programs nominal और ANM till December 3 accounts में संभाल 3 accounts and just imagine out of 15 people which for my batch I was the only person who was handling every account that to independently without anyone's support. So Apurva, right? Apurva indirectly told that start preparing yourself mentally for the worst. To the project manager, Apurva. Yeah, yeah. So this was communicated. That's why I started talking. But I didn't say नहीं टेंशन नहीं है एक मिनट तुम गूगल देखो क्या I tell you what will happen at the end of the day. I'm telling you the worst scenario. Now they are telling the government has taken for